Hi there!
How are your athletes? Are you ready to win?
It's us again, Cune and Isen, and we are here with our friends to tell you the latest news about Children of Asia Games. And let's start!
In the ring, young men in the 54 weight category competed. The winner of this bout was the blue corner boxer Ibrahim Shahirzhonov from Uzbekistan. This marks the 43rd victory for the young boxer out of 45 fights. The Uzbekistan team is a favorite in boxing in these games. Their secret weapon is a coach from Cuba. The Cuban boxing school is arguably one of the most renowned in the world. The head coach not only trains the young athletes, but also prepares them for the Olympic Games. The final featured athletes who have competed in the continental tournaments. These are the winners and medalists from the various competitions. On the second final day, there were bouts among girls in 3 weight categories and boys in 6 weight categories.
On the last day of shooting competition, young men competed in rifle accuracy. Based on qualification results, 9 top athletes advanced in the final round. Many of participants who reached the firing line today have only recently taken up shooting, making the competition even more interesting. The final competition is held in 2 stages. First, the young men must take 60 shots, during which they accumulate a certain number of points. Each shot reflects their level of skill. In the second stage, the competitors shoot for elimination. A fierce battle unfolded among the top 3, 2 representatives from Yakutsk and a shooter from Siberian Federal District. Ultimately, the victory went to the youngest participant, Ivan Kermushov, from Altai Krai. This is his first major victory, which he dedicated to his coach. The young man is determined to continue his sports career.
Silence is cherished not only by Japanese but also by chess. In this battle of minds, even a small external noise can cost the player their victory. Young men and women from 7 countries competed for medals. According to experts, the tournament was intense and representative. The games were conducted in a personal tournament format using the Swiss system over 9 rounds. Among the young men, Alan Pidkhov from Kazakhstan emerged victorious. The best among the girls was Diana Hafizova from Moscow.
The names of the champions of the Children of Asia Games in Alish wrestling have been announced. This ancient Kyrgyz national sport was included in the sports program for the first time. 7 players from different weight categories participated in the final matches. In the 50 kg weight category, the champion title went to representatives from Kyrgyzstan, the homeland of Alish wrestling. The bout in the 70 kg weight category lasted only a few seconds, and the gold medal was added to Pakistan's collection. In the women's 45 kg weight category, Alexandra Filipova won with a clear advantage. It is worth noting that she was practicing Alish wrestling for only 2 weeks. Kazakhstan's representatives won the most awards in the competition.
Breaking is not just a sport, it is also an art form. Participants of this newest Olympic sport perform spins, headstands like real gymnasts, and all while feeling the rhythm and hitting the beat. Since music tracks are played by a DJ here, competitors need to listen and adapt instantly. This is probably what judges look for most. Unlike other sports where judges give scores, breakers determine the best through 1-on-1 or 2-on-2 battles. At the end of the final day, athletes from the Far East took 3rd place. Moscow competitors came 2nd, and absolute champions were Daniil and Amelia from the Siberian Federal District. Remember, breaking will be seen at the Olympic level for the first time in Paris in August.
Congratulations to all of the champions and their coaches.
We're happy for you, and our episode is over.
Bye!
Bye.